So this is the fourth module. It is sequences and series. So first of all, what is a sequence? So an infinite sequence is an unending succession of numbers called terms. That is just writing the numbers in any order. Any order means first, second, third, fourth, etc. So for example 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So nth term, first term is 1, second term is 2, third term is 3, etc. etc. What is the nth term? It is denoted by an, it is equal to n. Then for next example 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, etc. So first term is 1 by 2, second 1 by 3, third term is 1 by 4, etc. etc. So which is the nth term? An is first term is 1 by 2, first 2, second 3, third 4. So what will the nth term? 1 by n plus 1. Okay. So next 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. So these are all odd numbers. So an is 2n minus 1. Then 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5, etc. So here alternatively there is negative sign. So there comes minus 1 raised to n or n plus 1. So if the first term is 1 by 2, so minus 1 raised to, if it is minus 1 raised to n, first term will be minus 1. So first term is positive. To make the first term as positive, you need to write minus 1 raised to n plus 1. Okay, so first term n is 1, 1 plus 1 2, minus 1 raised to 2 is plus 1, positive. Okay. So then first term is in the denominator it is 2, second term denominator 3, third 4. Okay. So nth term n plus 1. 1 added to n. Okay. So in general a sequence is written in terms of ai. Okay. That is a1, a2, a3, etc. etc. Or it is like an, n from 1 to infinity. An between a curly bracket, then n from 1 to infinity. Read as sequence an. N from 1 to infinity. Okay. So sequence is a function whose domain is set of integers. That means first the sequence, then sequential terms നമ്മൾ എങ്ങനെ ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യും? ഫസ്റ്റ് ടേം 1, സെക്കൻഡ് ടേം 2, തേർഡ് ടേം. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ 1, 2, 3 ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് സെറ്റ് ഓഫ് ഇൻറ്റീജേഴ്സ്. ഓക്കെ, നെക്സ്റ്റ് ലിമിറ്റ് ഓഫ് എ സീക്വൻസ്. So a sequence an is said to converge to a limit. Converge to a limit means it has a limit. If given any epsilon greater than 0, there exists a positive integer capital N such that modulus of an minus L is less than epsilon for all n greater than or equal to n. That means for a fixed positive n and small n is greater than or equal to n, that means that n is tending to infinity. For any fixed n, this n is greater than or equal to n means this n is very large, tending to infinity. So in this case an minus L is less than epsilon. What is epsilon? Epsilon is the given positive number. It's a very small number. Okay, given epsilon greater than 0, an modulus of an minus L is less than epsilon. That means difference between an and L is less than epsilon. Epsilon is a very small number. So difference is less than a small number. That means difference is very less, tending to 0. Okay. That means an is approaching to L. So when an is approaching to L, as n tends to infinity, and we write limit n tends to infinity. So this sentence is written in terms in short as limit n tends to infinity, n tends to infinity, an is equal to L. So as n tends to infinity, n വലുതാകും തോറും an എന്തായിട്ട് മാറും? L ആയിട്ട് മാറും. So this L is called the limit of the sequence. Okay. This L should be finite and unique. Then only we can say that the sequence converges to L. Okay. So this limit should be finite and unique. It should not change as the situation changes. Okay. So it should be unique. If a sequence is not convergent, it is said to be divergent. Okay. For example, find whether this sequence n by 2n plus 1, n from 1 to infinity converges or not. So for that, the nth term is given as n by 2n plus 1. So limit, what is the limit value? Limit n tends to infinity an, limit n tends to infinity n by 2n plus 1. That is n tends to infinity n by, so n ഇൻഫിനിറ്റി കൊടുക്കാനായിട്ട് n കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കുക. സോ ടേക്ക് ദ n ആസ് കോമൺ. സോ ഇഫ് യു ടേക്ക് n ഔട്ട്സൈഡ് ഇറ്റ് വിൽ ബി 2 പ്ലസ് ഫ്രം 1 it is 1 by n. Okay, so that this n cancels. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെ n എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ n ക്യാൻസൽ ആവണം. ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് 1 by infinity is 0. ഇതാണ് നമുക്ക് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. 1 by infinity is 0. So this becomes 1 by 2 plus 1 by infinity. 1 by infinity is 0. So 2 plus 0, 2. 1 by 2. Okay, so the answer is 1 by 2. This is a finite number and it is positive, unique also. Okay, so the sequence converges to this 1 by 2. Okay, so next example, minus 1 raised to n plus 1, n by 2, n plus 1, n from 1 to infinity. So this is also the same sequence, but here alternatively negative sign is there. That is why minus 1 raised to n plus 1. ആദ്യത്തെ term plus, second negative, third positive, etc. etc. So what is the limit value? This limit is 1 by 2. We have already done. Okay, 1 by 2. So minus 1 raised to n plus 1. That means nth term, that means as n tends to infinity, the limit will be plus 1 by 2 or minus 1 by 2. Okay, so the limit is not unique. In some cases it is plus 1 by 2, in some cases it is minus 1 by 2. So it is not unique. So the series, the sequence diverges. Okay. Next one, sequence minus 1 raised to n plus 1, 1 by n. N from 1 to infinity converges or diverges. So what is the limit value? Limit n tends to infinity 1 by n is it is 1 by infinity, it is 0. So plus or minus case it is 0 itself. So the sequence converges to 0.